When we go for any greenfield implementation or any brownfield implementation, the first thing which we encounter is they have some inventory laying in their warehouses. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If we are going in a greenfield, then greenfields are much simpler one because
Right.
you have to build thing from the zero, scratch.
Zero. Correct.
So you it
Correct.
depend on you how you mold it.
Mm-hmm.
But brownfield are much tougher because they have one practice first thing like their codification or their some issue voucher signing authority and all that. So a company
Right.
can have a one different practice. Secondly, they have one mindset like we are doing this particular job in this manner. You simply map this job in a similar manner to the new system because they don't want to change. It is moreover related to the change management rather than the technical requirement.
Right.
And also in a brown field, it is a running business.
Mm-hmm.
They are not going to stop business or transaction or their material movement due to your implementation. So in
Right.
both the scenario, the one thing is common to begin with. First thing,
Right.
you'll have some inventory laying in your warehouses,
Correct.
whether it is a green field or in a brown field. In case of a green field, you will have a less inventory because you just started your installation, or either you will be in a that erection commissioning mode. So you
Right.
have only the machineries coming and you don't have any spare part and stationery, all that. And however, in case of a brownfield, you have a lot of different type of inventory laying in your warehouses. Okay. So
Right.
when we talk about, so you from the commerce background, so you understand that when we go for a P&L, so you should have asset liability, everything gets mapped
Right.
out. Otherwise,
Right.
it is not possible to calculate. So
Mm-hmm.
in that case, whatever inventory you have physically available in your warehouses, the first thing is to upload that inventory to
Right.
SAP system.
Right.
That particular step, there are multiple ways to do that, but I'll show you the standard way. It is called initial stock uploading.
Mm-hmm.
Initial stock uploading means the quantity you have in out of system, I am going for go live. Okay.
Right.
Let's say tomorrow morning I'm going for go live. So I'll cut off one date like after 12 p.m. No inventory movement happen. Just take a complete all the GRN so that I'll have a correct inventory picture. And after 12 p.m., I'll post all the inventory in my SAP system so that from tomorrow onwards, you will be using SAP as a new software.
Got it.
So for that purpose, the thing which is important, it is called initial stock uploading. And it is a one-time activity only. And there is a one dedicated movement type available for this. That movement type, we call it a 561
Okay.
movement type is available. Why dedicated? Because as I mentioned, this is a routine thing. In any project, you need this. And this is the inventory movement. So inventory movements are always questionable from the audit side. So if you keep one dedicated movement type, first thing you can tell auditor that this is due to the initial phases. Secondly,
Right.
once you complete your this activity of making inventory in your new system, you can remove authorization of this movement type from all the other users.
Mm-hmm.
So it will become a taboo kind of thing. Like for
Mm-hmm.
initially, it will be used for a one time, and later on, you can remove it.
Got it.
So let's try to post. See, MIGO is a transaction. Now, what type of movement is this? 561 Kamal.
561 is transfer.
Correct. But for system, is it transfer?
No, for system it is basically issue in a way.
No, no. For system, it is a receipt only. Just think of your
Oh,
books point. This
okay,
inventory
okay.
will come in your books, na?
Oh, yeah, it will come in my books. Okay, okay.
Okay, so it is anything which increases is receipt. And what
Receipt.
this particular inventory, this particular entry will increase my inventory.
Okay.
So that is a receipt. So first
Okay,
thing,
okay.
it is a receipt. Second thing, against what? Here we have a multiple thing. We have seen against the purchase order. Okay, we have seen other the order, inbound delivery. Now this is receipt, but I don't have any reference document, so I can put in other.
Other. Okay.
Okay, and here, see the 561 automatically came here. It is not
Hmm.
necessary always. Simply go here, click. You'll find here all the movement type starting from one.
Okay.
These are in movement type which related to my receipt process. If it is two, it is for my issue or consumption,
Issue.
as you
Right.
can see name here.
Right. Right.
Three, it is a transfer posting related. There can be different type of transfer. Five is again a receipt, but this receipt is without reference. As you can see
Without.
here, many time here without is mentioned here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Without.
Okay. So 561 is a, see, what is a description? A receipt per initial entry of stock balances
Oh,
into unrestricted.
okay.
Okay. Similarly, if you want to do the initial stock uploading for special stock, that is consignment stock, okay, or project stock, then you have to use, along with movement type 561, you have to use a special stock indicator. Okay,
Got it.
the process will remain same. It is called as the initial, this particular 561 is called as initial stock uploading. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Material code, let's use this material code, bomb component. Quantity, where, in which plant, in which storage location. Okay. Now, check this
Yeah.
and post.
Post.
On posting, if I go back to this movement type, remove this. Or remove this, execute. So see this 561 is available here, okay,
Yes.
of 150. Now if I go to this 561, this is a material document available. Okay, the same document you can find in a MIGO if you want to see the complete detail. Doc info, click here. This is my FI document which is available.
Yeah.
Okay, this is initial stock uploading. So this is an addition of my inventory. So remember, this is one important thing. If you go to some interview or something,
Yeah.
this can can be asked to you that what process you have used for initial stock.